belt just open. Tugman I go drive towards, conveyor belt will drive on towards it. And lift up. So they're gonna drive the conveyor belt and put it at the bulk hole. Watch that now, guys. Watch that. Look at that. Look at that. Driving the conveyor belt to park it right underneath the door. Watch what will go on. Look at what's going on. Underneath the jet bridge, you can see the workers. They are getting ready to go on the flight to check it and to clean it. Alright, see the conveyor belt driving up, driving up, driving up. Look at that, guys. Driving up, reverse. Try to position itself to fit right underneath that small hole where the box are. Yeah. See that? Watch it carefully. Then lifting it up, lifting up, going up, going up. See that? Going up, going up. How do I bring it back down? Maybe it's not positioned good enough. Mm-hmm. That is it. So that is it right here. See the workers over there still lining up on the plane to go and check the seat and clean the flight. Right, see? Watch keenly now. They put the thing underneath the wheel to stop it as it don't move, it don't shift. And then putting up the rail, put up the rail right there. There's another one driving at the back. This is called the rear bulk hole. So they're parking one right there too. So they can take out the bags them also. And that's the container they're gonna pack it in. See they patting down the guy, look at that. Patting him down, checking if you have anything on him first, then he's gonna go in the bulk hole now. Look at that, see that? Straight in the bulk hole. When you go inside, I'm gonna put the bag and the conveyor belt and they're gonna come out and then that cart that I just show you can come around and pack them inside and bring them to the belt so it can go inside for the passengers to get their bag. You guys see the cart? They try positioning it down there. See it? Yeah. Position it. So each one of those things, you're gonna pack the bags them inside. Dry go. Drying it. Mm-hmm. So see the parked right here. And then I guess they're gonna watch now. See the guy now. Gonna put the back on the belt. So put the back on the belt. See the other guy driving up now. So he's gonna park it right there and then put the bag on the belt and the belt run it come down and then pack it in that car. Very straight. And the belt for the passenger to get it. Mhm. But you can't get that a closer look at it. See the guy up there in the barcode. Alright, see the bag them coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. They're packing in them, putting them on the belt. They are just running, coming down. Then the guy at the end right there gonna pack them inside. So they throw them inside here. But this cart is in front, so you can't hardly see, but you can see a little bit. So what they would normally do is take off the stroller and the wheelchair things, bring them upstairs first so that the wheelchair and the stroller can be given to the rightful owner so they can get them to use them. So I know there is the fuel truck. See that thing out there? I I don't know if I can see it good, but that's the fuel truck. Yeah, park out there with the red light beacon at the top. So whenever they finish right here, we're going to bring it come over here underneath the plane wing right there and put the fuel in the plane wing. See box coming off. So basically, this is it for now. So if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you want to see more, please drop it in the comments, guys. Please leave a like, comments, and share. Okay, before I go here now, here is a Ferrari truck coming up, coming up. And those people standing underneath the jet bridge, they are the person that go on the plane after they finish. After the passenger come off, then they go on and clean the plane so you can get to go back out. Mhm. So you see that cart, you see the bags them in the cart, one, two. So they're gonna bring that underneath the chute right there. See the Florida truck coming up now. Mhm. This is it, Florida truck, close range. See it? That's what the Florida truck look like. It look different from any ordinary truck. So driver gonna come out and fuel the plane by putting the thing, screwing it on the plane wing and lead the fluid straight to the plane. And as you can see now, all the workers gone on the flight that was standing under the jet bridge. Bags still coming out of the bulk hole. This is the front one, and that's the back one. Thanks.